Okay, I think this is called Sakura straw painting, and it's got a Japanese inspiration because it's a cherry blossom, and in Japanese art also has a lot of nature in it. One of the hardest things about drawing trees, if you noticed, is to try to make them not symmetrical. You ever had try? Isn't that hard to do? You end up making, like, I made one branch here, I'll make one branch here. In nature, there's not that kind of symmetry. There's more of a randomness, and things get skinnier as you go up. So the trick to making this is you start with the branches, like that. Okay, is everyone seeing this one? Let's pass that around.
That's so pretty.
Well, there's a couple different techniques. Thank you. Could you pass that around? Okay, so got this one? Okay, so here's the deal. And you're going to think, and there's not a wrong way to do this because the randomness of it is kind of the point. Do you guys know what randomness means?
Yes.
Okay, so you drop kind of a big blob of this brown and paint with the water in it, and you don't wait too long, and then you take the straw, and then you start blowing on it. And it would probably go up. But it actually did come out pretty good. And I try to do 3 of them.
Trying to take a breath in between it so you don't end up losing all the oxygen.
Yeah, you do get a little bit lightheaded doing it also. And you get it kind of a dot like that. And then when you're directing it, you can kind of control it a little bit.
If you do it too much, you might get lightheaded. Just to let you know.
And the ones that kind of, okay, if you do it from the side like that, it's going to look really weird.
Bad.
Perfect.
Oh,
That is bees.
Is it? All right. So far, guys, you see what's happening?
that's just
Now,
awesome.
I should have shot, if you do too many of the dots, okay, I'm here now, Luke. If you do too many dots and you get too many branches, it looks like a creepy forest. So you go, right, hold that one back up again. See, you had 3 dots at the middle, and then it went out in these randomness. And part of the randomness is the straw. And you can blow, and you can kind of turn the straw and blow in different directions, but it is kind of cool. Now, I'm going to do one more.
Aren't the flowers, aren't the blossoms going to be harder to...
I'll show you what I did for the blossoms in a second.
Are we still going to have to use the straw to do the blossoms?
No, I used a different technique for the... Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm hoping they do.
Looks like he's drawing that with drawing.
He's got an invisible pen.
Yeah, looks like he's got an invisible pen.
Okay, that actually turned out pretty good. Isn't that kind of fun and cool?
Yeah, but if you do it too hard to get
Okay, where's the that? For this. Okay. Okay. Shh. Don't you? Why do you think she's standing there, Hayden? Okay. This now. For this, does it look like I took real careful brush strokes? And no, I did.
Teachers and students, just a couple of quick announcements. 3rd grade teachers, please have your honor roll list verified and by noon, and all ABC recipients turned in by noon so we can have those awards ready for tomorrow. Students, if you have spring picture money or your spring pictures, please return those to the office. That needs to be done right away. Also, teachers, I will be sending you via email your grade verifications. Please make sure you look at those and get back with me by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Everybody have a great day. Remember to focus on the classwork, and let's make sure we don't have any discipline problems for the remainder of this week. Thank you. everybody.
Oh my gosh.
Xandra, we'll take care of it later.
Get out of here.
Okay, shh. No. Okay, so on this, there's a couple artists, I think they're called Impressionists, and they do like dabbing. They like go, they just kind of dot with the paintbrush. And you get this kind of randomness, and what I did was pink here, like a cherry blossom, a pink dashing, right? And then I outlined it real light and green. And notice I used a lot of water with it, water and the paint mixed together. And then I dropped in a big, thick glob of white in the middle. And it was kind of random and kind of not. Okay, and I think what I was trying to say is that don't plan it too much. And don't say I messed up, because this is not the kind of art you can plan anyway. It's kind of just reacting to what happens. And it could be really fun. So again, we'll do 3 dots of the brown paint onto this, and once this is done, then you could use some different colors to do this. And it doesn't have to be this, because I saw this movie that I was thinking about while I made this one. It was called Hero. And there was these 2 women fighting with swords in this forest, and all these cherry blossoms were falling down from the trees as they fought. It was just really neat. So that's why I thought of a floor full of blossoms that fallen from the tree. So.
In the movie Electra, they have cherry blossoms.
Yeah, they did. They had something very similar in the movie Electra. So sometimes when I do an art thing, and if I do it according to a book I've read or something, I like it better than if I just kind of, I'm going to draw a car. You know, I mean, it's just a little bit better. Okay, we're on video right now, so you can't talk. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today. We're going to do 3 dots, use the straw to make a very random design, and I'd like to give you the option to use markers to make this if you want, but you can also use paint. So there's going to be 3 colors, white, 4, white, brown, pink, and green.